Emely. I'm Ros Emely, of course. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you an easy family recipe. This delicious garlicky mashed potatoes. Guys, it's so good, quick and easy, and perfect for Thanksgiving and Christmas Eve. You guys already know. Ready, prepared with the menu, and this should be one of them in your menu. I hope you guys can enjoy this recipe and you guys can make it and enjoy it as well. Now let's get started with the recipe. So let's start here. I have 5 pounds of golden potatoes, medium sized. I already pre-washed them, and now we're gonna peel them, cut them into half, and add them in my pot with water because we are going to boil them. Alrighty, so here are my potatoes. I'm just gonna season them with 1 tablespoon of salt. Now we're ready to cook on the stove on high heat for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until the potatoes are tender. In the meantime, we are gonna make our garlicky sauce. So I have here 9 cloves of garlic and fresh parsley. Alrighty, so we're gonna finely chop our garlic and our parsley. And now on medium heat, we're gonna add about half a tablespoon of avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. We're gonna mix a little bit just so the butter can melt. And now we're ready to add our chopped minced garlic. Let's mix that a little bit. And now we're gonna add our fresh parsley. Alrighty, let's mix and let this cook for about 3 minutes or until our garlic is caramelized and has this golden color. So good. You can also add 1 tablespoon more of butter if it dried out. And now our potatoes are done. I already drained the water. They're nice and tender. Now let's start adding half a cup of regular milk. Let's add cheddar cheese to your liking, of course, and we're gonna add most of the mixture of the garlic with parsley and butter. As you can see, I added 1 more tablespoon of butter. It is gonna melt while we mash the potatoes. I did leave some of the garlic and parsley because we're gonna use that to top it off at the end. So now season it with ground black pepper and salt to taste, and now we're gonna mash it until it's nice, velvety, smooth, and creamy. Look how good, guys. I did add 1 more tablespoon of butter. Now's the time to taste your mashed potatoes. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of butter to see if it's good in salt and in butter. Let's mash, mash, mash. And guys, it's ready to serve. I served it in my baking dish. And now we're gonna top it off with our garlic and parsley and the butter, of course. Presentation is everything, especially for Thanksgiving and Christmas Eve dinners, right? A little bit of dry parsley on top, and that is it, guys. Delicious, creamy, garlicky mashed potatoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time.